Back to weather. People who live in Baldwin County are still cleaning up after Hurricane Sally slammed that area just weeks ago. Tree limbs and household items are piled up along roadsides, and that could cause additional problems if Delta comes our way. Let's talk with WKRG.com mobile journalist Blake Brown about that. We are all crossing our fingers for this storm to take a big turn, Blake.
We are, Cherish, and like you said, piles and piles of debris. Those are still problems here in Baldwin County. Take a live look behind me here right now. Again, this is not even the worst of it, but you can still see some of those piles behind me. And if you throw in 100-mile-per-hour winds or even greater, it could become an even more dangerous situation here later this week if a storm does decide to head our way. This is what it looks like Monday in Baldwin County, and the cleanup isn't over yet.
I'm out here cleaning up from the storm, hoping the next one doesn't come this way, because that'll just be starting over.
Robertsdale resident Joanne Clements uses a wheelbarrow to remove limbs and leaves from her yard. She's watching the tropics and says her mind's made up if Delta heads our way.
Well, I'm going to leave. I'm going on a mini vacation, and I'm going to take it early, and I'm going to dodge it because it was nerve-wracking. I needed electricity because I have someone on oxygen, and I just think it would be safe for me to take a little trip.
Courtney Whiting isn't taking any chances either. She spent the day filling up gas cans, hoping they're not needed later this week.
They're empty from the last one. We were without power for about 8 days. And the gas lines we sat in for about an hour and a half. So I'm trying to not do that this time.
If a tropical system impacts us this week, these piles of debris could create hazards in a lot of communities across Baldwin County. Some aren't scheduled to be picked up for a couple more weeks.
I'm due for a vacation, so
you deserve
I worked hard. Yes, I do deserve it, definitely.
And hopefully she does not need that vacation this week, Cherish. But again, people here are preparing for the worst and they are hoping for the best. I know that's a saying that has become all too familiar here along the Gulf Coast this hurricane season. But again, they are hoping the storm stays far away.
Blake, are crews adjusting schedules, maybe adding workers in an attempt to pick up more debris with this week with the possibility of Delta coming this way?
Yeah, good question. Right now, they have not adjusted any of those schedules. I've actually got a phone call scheduled for after this live shot to get an update from that, if anything has changed in the last hour or so. But at this point, they have not adjusted any schedules. As you can imagine, there's a lot of debris still to pick up here in Baldwin County, and unfortunately, there's no way all of that could get picked up by Friday.
Yeah, well, good. Hopefully you'll get an update. We'll be able to bring that to everyone on WKRG.com. Now, usually people don't start preparing until a little closer to landfall, but Blake, you did talk with one woman already filling up on gas.
Yeah, she has filled up 5 gas cans already. She does not want to be stuck in that situation again where she is waiting in those long lines. Of course, we are not seeing that here in Baldwin County. I don't want to panic anyone or anything like that. That is not being seen here in Baldwin County. But again, some people are trying to stay ahead of that just in case the storm does head our way.
Hey, better safe than sorry. Thank you so much, Blake.